Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having multiple news in Euro USD. So maybe the market will be really volatile, so be cautious since the spread and the volatility could be really high. So try not to trade during these times where the high impact news are. So it's 12:45, 1 p.m. and 1 and 7:15 p.m. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the market. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So currently, there is nothing much clear into the monthlies, so let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is that the price is following an order flow, and we are having equal highs right below this unmitigated order block. So I'm anticipating the price to react from this unmitigated wick, which had taken the liquidity of the previous week's candle, to come to this zone and give a response from this area over here. So currently what do we have is that we have swept the low of the previous week, and I'm anticipating the price to at least take this high, give a reaction from this FVG and then move into the downward direction. So for the smaller time frames bias, I am bullish for today. So now let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart, and what do we have here is we are having this FVG, and just the way I had said that we are going to see a slowdown into the market slowed down and we are having this order block, and we are able to see a reaction from this FVG over here. The price is currently looking into the sideways into this time frame, so I'll be moving into the smaller time frames. This is the 4 hour and nothing is yet clear. This is the 1 hour chart and something is clear. So this is where I had uh, anticipated yesterday that if this low is being taken by the market, the price is going to fall to this level over here and we are going to see a reaction, and just like that it happened. So now what I'm anticipating is that we are either going to have a flip zone into the market and we are going to take this high, this all liquidity sitting right above it, and we are going to move towards this high, taking this as a reaction zone. So now what do we have is we have to look into the Asia sessions or the sessions liquidity. So what do we have here is nothing yet clear. So I'll be moving to 30 minutes. We are also having equal highs right at this zone. And why am I considering this everything right as an equal high? Because everything right here is mitigated. So if we are going to take this high, most likely we are going to move into the upside direction. And if we disrespect this particular wick, so I'll be deleting things to make it clear. If we are going to disrespect this wick, most likely we are going to go into the higher direction. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating the price. Sorry. Okay, I guess I'm tapping on something. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia low, then move into the upside direction, take this high, and then give a reaction, or if we are going to break it, most likely we are going to go for this level over here. So let's move to the 15 minutes for a precise picture that where can we react from. So what do we have here is we have already reacted from this zone. Let's move to the higher time frames for a bit of confluence. Yes. So I won't be anticipating the price to cross this candle over here. So most likely we are going to see a reaction from this candle and go into the upside direction. Else we are also having this overall scenario where we can have a reaction, but most likely I'm anticipating the price to reverse from this zone and move into the upside direction. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.